Hail. So now welcome to the video series we they do to try to create Slack. Now Slack be this, and I don't already talk for previous videos the functionality of Slack. So for this one now, what they really try to achieve here now to be able to send real-time messages. So for this video, we now more focus on now how to build a WebSocket server with this app we already create for here. Last video we don't already talk about create this endpoint. So if you create user, if we get all the users, we use Postman to do that one. But for this video now, we're just going to see how we fit create WebSocket server using this same project. So what we're going to need now WebSocket. This now WebSocket advanced technology we use to get real-time communications. See, advanced technology which we don't already talk. So and the framework we will use that they call socket.io. I don't already talk for the beginning of this series here, so socket.io. So we need to see how we fit use this next project take do WebSocket server. So if I go to NestJS, there's a concept of gateways which we will just look how then take done. So if you go to WebSocket and you go to gateway, we just follow the instruction here. So I want more could they get the idea of where we go quickly, So now all the packages we need is we need Nest WebSocket package, we need platform socket IO package, and we need this type too. So we could do that one. But first, we could commit all the changes we will get so that we'll go no say okay, we don't finish that side. So I'll just do git add and git commit. Say yeah, user endpoint add crud user endpoint. I just put endpoint here. Alright. Then git push. I don't push out. So I might just copy this one here. I just copy this one. This package is here. Do npm install. And when that one don't do, we'll go copy this one to the types. The install. So we'll just clear up this place until we finish to install all these packages. Waiting the happen here. Oh, we don't need this user here. We still refactor this place, but now I just want to get the WebSocket working. More knows okay because now the key part of this project with that the real-time communication. Alright, you don't install one. So install on. So for Nest, we use we get this CLI we use to generate gateway. So we just do Nest generate gateway, and the gateway go inside our the modules main. Let's do the main one. We'll call them app. So you could generate that one for us. So it's generating. Alright. So the gateway don't there. You see? So now the gateway here. So you get the subscribe. So I don't need this spec for file. I just remove them. So but we'll look into this gateway. So we did really that happen for here. You see this now the decorator will come with Nest WebSocket, which is WebSocket gateway. And then you go subscribe to any message we come from client. Any client will emit message, you go subscribe to that event and you go return hello world. So now with the first thing we did be this, we'll make this one message just to not say message to we'll change them so that we know when we did do message to server when we did test them. Alright, so here now we get some decorators too we will fit implement. We go give us some some life cycle, which if you go to the documentation we could see how they think define. They get this message body, but we could see the life cycle method, how if you take hook up to those life cycle method. Okay, if we implement if we implement this on init gateway, it go fit get this lifecycle method out after init. So now I just talk say okay, this one implement on this, and it go force us to implement that after init, because now waiting they tell us with this we need to implement class of express this. Yeah, waiting the talk now in this now after init, which is this. So what are you complaining about? Okay, I need to import them. Yeah, sorry. So I don't import them here now. I have to just put console log here. Now Nest even get logger. So I just import logger from Nest, which is going to be new logger. And logger is coming from import this from @nest common. Okay, that one our logger. Let's go up here. Equator, no big type, just equator there. Then for inside this one, we just say okay, this log say init gateway init. Right, so we get this one now, gateway init, and then within the talk we say it must missing return type. Yeah, we'll just avoid. So I go stop talking. Then what we implement again? We implement on connection. So we implement on connection. On connection will force us to implement which method, undo connection. So we'll put that one here. Call this, and we also need to stop this error. We import them from WebSockets, and we could just copy this one. All right, and then so I will not say this one the work. Yeah, so we don't implement this whenever the video I know made the video pass through 10 minutes, so I will stop the video. I will continue from the next video, but for this one now we will still continue to set the web server up, then go later test them. Yeah, many things to do, so I will stop the video now. All right, I hear later.